All-time best ukulele brands for beginners and pros. Ukuleles are like guitars that are easy and fun to play, the cheerful music they make. Here, you can see those who tend to offer excellent and solid instruments together with affordable prices, particularly for the beginners and intermediate players. Now let us see the best ukulele brands. What are the best ukulele brands? Cordoba. Cordoba is known for building beautiful and resonant guitars in the tradition of the Spanish. Cordoba began to produce ukuleles with the same attention and passion. It is made of high quality and carefully selected wood with high components. Every Cordoba instrument is handmade to ensure that the tone you will make is beautiful, exquisite, and resonant. Mahalo. It is a popular entry-level instrument and perfect for beginners and for any age. It has quality and reliable geared machine heads that make easy tuning and pleasing sounds. Mahalo may not have the best and quality components of material goods to build instruments. However, still, for a beginner who really wants to learn how to play a ukulele guitar, Mahalo is perfect. Lohanu. The quality of Lohanu is much better than any of the super cheap ukuleles. It was proven and tested over the years, and it is incredible. Lohanu has a lot of features. It has a braceless arched back. It provides structural support whenever you are improving tone. Lanikai. Lanikai tenor ukulele is expensive but a good choice for an instrument because of its good tone. It has a more extensive and broader fingerboard than any soprano ukulele. It is easier to play for those with huge hands and fingers. Lanikai ukuleles are handcrafted and produced on an island of Oahu in the country of Hawaii, with many ukulele brands that pay homage to the first ukulele styles. Kala. Kala ukulele guitars are known relatively as new ukulele brands. It will be a good investment for people who want a well-made quality ukulele at an affordable price. They are perfect for the players who are getting more serious about playing the ukulele and want the best quality ukulele without breaking their bank. Donner. Donner ukuleles are very simple but well built. They have tight and clean craftsmanship and can be played very well even if it just got out of the box. They also have a very good sound. Most Donner ukuleles come in a package, including a gig bag, extra strings, tuner, straps, and picks. Oscar Schmidt. Oscar Schmidt ukuleles tend to be at the cheaper end of the price scale, yet it has a good reputation for quality. Having said that, it can still make a good sound, and it is easier to play than any others. They also offered a variety of woods and finishes together with spruce, spalted mango, spalted maple, mahogany, and especially authentic koa. This brand of the ukulele is easy to play with. The action is kind of low, and its intonation is great. Pameokai. This brand is one of the most compact ukuleles that is a very excellent choice for kids who really want to start learning to play musical instruments. The Pameokai soprano wood ukulele is one of those which has the crispiest sound. This guitar is made of basswood that is finished with a high gloss. It has a mahogany body and 4 advanced carbon nylon strings. These strings are soft, which would be easier on the fingers of a beginner or a younger player who just started to learn the ukulele. Luna. Luna is a nice tattooed ukulele. It is well built and plays reasonably well, and anyone who hears its tone will be impressed. Luna tattoo ukulele is not a bad choice, especially for beginners. Fender. Well, if you are on a budget, basically, you can count on Fender ukuleles. These types of ukuleles are built while using high-quality materials and solid, reliable manufacturing processes. When it comes to sounds, it is normally clear and crisp, with tons of tropical, island-inspired tones. Fender is famous for guitars, yet these days the company's ukuleles are making a stir as well. Best ukulele brands for professionals. If you're a professional ukulele player or a beginner who wants to use something more incredible, then the following are the best ukulele brands for professionals. Martin. Although its price is quite a bit more expensive than some other manufacturers, Martin is a top-notch instrument. They also provide great strings, so if you are not sure about having their ukuleles, then you can add the string they provide to a cheaper model and get a small amount of quality that this company is renowned for. Cornelia. Cornelia is another Hawaiian company and is renowned for its high-quality instruments. They are all made on the lovely island of Oahu. These instruments offer a good appearance, great sound, and also with low prices. Kamaka. This company was started by Manuel K. Kamaka, and Kamaka ukuleles offer 3 time period styles. Meanwhile, Kamaka invented the pineapple style of ukuleles, and you will regularly see examples of one of these on eBay. While there are lots of good ukulele brands in the market, choosing the best ukulele brand is a little stressful. Hopefully, this list that we have provided for you somewhat clears up your mind in choosing the brand of ukulele you should opt for.